So welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE, and if you're new here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to talk about the best moisturizers that you can use as an individual or a makeup artist. Okay, so yeah, so without much ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, before I talk about moisturizers, and there are some certain things that you have to know before I introduce the moisturizer or the best moisturizers to you. Okay, so when we talk about moisturizer, what does moisturizer means? Moisturizer means it's a type of cream that is formulated to meet a particular skin problem. Okay, so yeah, that is probably just a moisturizer. So when it comes to moisturizers, also you need to know some things. Sometimes, like what, you have to know your skin type, and knowing your skin type can help you find a good moisturizer that can match your skin. Okay, so now, what are the skin types that we have? We have the dry skin, we have the oily skin, we have the combination skin, and we also have the sensitive skin and the prone skin or the acne skin. Okay, so after knowing your skin type, then you can be able to get the best moisturizers for your skin, and you won't have any issue with that. So now, after knowing your skin, then what are the moisturizers, or what are the best moisturizers that you can get in the market? Guys, now that we know our skin types, we are going to talk about the moisturizers, or the best moisturizers that you can get for your skin type. So now, the first moisturizer on my list is the Tasha the Water Cream Moisturizer, and this type of moisturizer is best hydrate your skin. It's also oil free, also anti-aging cream. Okay, it also helps to calm your skin, especially when you have this type of redness on your skin. It helps it to calm it down. So this is what it does to the skin. It's very hydrating, so I will advise you to get it if you can, but if you can't, you can go for a different type. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to mention the affordable ones that you can also get for your skin type. So now we are moving to the second moisturizer on my list, and this type of moisturizer I love. It is my best moisturizer that I have been using. Okay, I have been using, so I will recommend this type of moisturizer for you, and it's for all skin type. What is that moisturizer? This is St. Ives moisturizer. It's very affordable in the market. I'll put the picture here so that you can see. And this type of moisturizer, it helps to reduce your wrinkles and your fine lines on your face, also hydrate your skin perfectly, and it's water-based moisturizer. That is all about this. Okay, so this one is very affordable in the market that you can get if you want. So the third moisturizer on my list is the Fully Regenerate Sculpting Face Cream. Okay, sculpting face cream, and this is also a budget friendly. It also helps to reduce your fine lines on your skin and also reduce your pores. It hydrates your skin perfectly, and it can be used daily. Okay, so yeah, I'll post the picture here so that you can see how it looks like. That is the third moisturizer on my list. So now let's move to the fourth moisturizer. The fourth moisturizer on my list is the Nitrogenol Hydro Boost Moisturizer, and this type of moisturizer is oil free. It's water gel moisturizer as well, so it helps to hydrate your skin well. It's best for the dry skin people. Okay, and especially the mature skin too, is best for them. So I will advise you, if you are a dry skin person, try to get this type of moisturizer and you will never regret it. Okay, so now that is all about the Nitrogenol Hydro Boost Moisturizer. So now let's move to the fifth moisturizer on my list. So then, fifth moisturizer is the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizer. Okay, this type of moisturizer comes in with the SPF of 25, so I may tell you that it's a plus for you whenever that you are applying your makeup on your skin. You don't need sunscreen again. It contains the SPF of 25 already, and this type of moisturizer is good for the dry to normal skin. Yeah, it's good for them, and also it also reduce wrinkle on the skin and your fine lines. It also reduce your pores as well. So this is all about the CeraVe AM facial moisturizer. So my sixth moisturizer is the Embryolist layered cream concentrate. I hope I pronounced the word well. Is the Embryolist layered cream concentrate, and this type of moisturizer is also hydrate your skin well. I will recommend it for you if you are a makeup artist, because it's in the market. You know, when you're getting a moisturizer, one thing about moisturizer is get a moisturizer that when it's finished you can get it back in the market. So this type of moisturizer is commonly in the market. Okay, so this Embryolist layered cream concentrate does not have any SPF. It is good for all skin types. So if you're a makeup artist, this is a plus for you. You can get it. It's good for all the skin types, and it also moisturizes the skin well. So I will advise you to get this type of moisturizer for yourself. If you're an individual, you can also get it. It's good for the skin. So now, my next moisturizer is the Cetaphil moisturizer. Okay, this type of moisturizer, I hope everyone knows it. It's very very common in the market that you can get the Cetaphil moisturizer. So what does it does to the skin? This type of moisturizer is especially good for the sensitive skin. It doesn't have any fragrance. So if you are someone who is allergic to fragrance, I think this type of moisturizer is good for you. It doesn't, but it's good for the sensitive skin, especially. So if you know that you have that sensitive skin, you can get it for yourself. And I think it's also good for every skin type, and it is also best for the dry skin. So if you're someone who can afford it, you can also get the Cetaphil moisturizer. So that is all about the Cetaphil moisturizer. Now let's move to the next moisturizer on my list. So the next moisturizer on my list is the Nivea moisturizer. Okay, this is also very common in the market, and this type of moisturizer is best for every skin type. So if you are a makeup artist or an individual, you can also get it for yourself. Okay, so it's good for all skin type, and it helps to moisturize your skin as well. It makes your skin also look fresh and smooth. And this type of moisturizer too is both for adults and children as well. So that is all about the moisturizers. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. One thing is, know your skin type, know what is best for you, and you can get the best moisturizers for your skin. And please, disclaimer here, I'm not saying that all these type of moisturizer can work on you. We have individual skin, so what may be good for me may not be good for you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it does, give me that thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video.